Welcome to the EarlyON. We offer programs for children 0 to 6 in Brantford and Brant County. Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a cooking activity. My name is Maria. We're going to do a cooking activity that the kids, you could do with your kids. So today we're going to make rainbow toast. So you're going to get some white bread. This recipe works better with white bread, but you can still use whole wheat bread. So we're going to get 3 or as many different colors of food coloring that you have. I have 3 here today. So we're going to add food coloring to the water. So I'm going to add a couple of drops to the blue, or a couple of blue drops to the water, some red drops, and some green drops to this water here. Okay, and I'm just going to mix it up a bit. Alrighty. Okay, so this is something that you could do with your kids. The kids would enjoy mixing the colors up with the water, but the best part for them is going to be the painting of the bread. So you're going to dip it in and just slightly paint the bread. This would be really fun for the kids. You can talk about colors, talk about what happens, talk about the feel of the bread, talk about the feel of the bread after the water touches it, because it does get a little bit soggy. So that's why you're going to paint both sides of the bread. And when you toast it in the toaster, it'll take a little bit longer because the bread is a little bit wet. So I'm just painting the red. Get some blue, and they could make designs, they could make shapes, letters, whatever they like. I'm just making just a mixture of colors. Okay, then we'll do the next one. Maybe this one we'll do stripes, blue, red, and green. Be like a rainbow. You could add some yellow in there. It could be like a rainbow. This one I'm going to do polka dots. So let the kids have fun. It's like painting a piece of paper, but it's toast, and then they get to eat it. And if you put butter on it, it will make it shiny, or some honey on it would make it shiny. Okay, so we're just going to pop this into the toaster. So while we're waiting for the toast to cook, I thought you could have some paper here ready, because the kids could paint paper while they're waiting for the toast, or they could paint some more bread. If you're making more than a couple of slices of bread, they could paint the more bread, or they could paint the paper. And this is something that you could talk about the colors with the kids. You could talk about how when you add the drops to the water, how the water changes colors. You could talk about the feel of the water. And then you could just talk about designs. You could talk about shapes, make some shapes with the kids on the paper, talk about letters. This is a great opportunity to talk about letters with the kids, because it's a fun way. So you could just make the letter C and talk about the letter C. You could do different letters and just talk about that as you're waiting for the toast to cook. It's kind of a way to incorporate learning into a fun cooking activity. So our toast is popped. We'll see how it's doing. Okay, so here it is. You might find that you have to cook the toast a little bit longer because it is wet, but it's pretty cool. I think the kids would enjoy that activity. You could add butter to it, you could add cheese, whatever topping you'd like to add to it. So I hope you've enjoyed our activity today. Thank you for joining us.